Welcome back, my dear students of class 6. Dear students, today in this chapter 1, that is the food, where does it comes from, I am going to discuss about the question and answers. So this video is very important, as in my previous videos you have already learned about the detailed video lecture, and now going to solve the questions that is from your book. So students, take your classwork copy and you have to start to note the answers of the questions. Now let us see that is the page number 21, chapter 1, page number 21. You have to open the page number 21 and the assessment question has been given, and the questions are multiple choice question, MCQs. That is the food, where does it comes from. So let us see in this science class. Question number 1. Question number one is, given below are the names of some animals. Number 1 goat, number 2 human being, number 3 cockroach, and number 4 eagle. So which of the above animals form a pair of omnivores? My dear student, you have to answer that there is a pair, and that pair belongs to the omnivores. So which pair? Goat or human being, then human being and cockroach, then cockroach and eagle, and then human being and eagle. So my dear student, in this question, the right answer is cockroach and human being. These both animals are omnivores. So answer will be this second and third. That will be the option number B. So this will be the answer. So question number 1 answer is B. Option is B. Now come to answer number 2. That is, the people of a village eat lots of fish, crabs, prawns. The village is most probably, options are in a forest, options are near the sea and near a hilly region and in a desert. So my dear student, the answer will be the near the sea, because sea provide the crab, fish, prawns, etc. These so many varieties of animals are found in the sea, and the village that is situated near the sea, they will be provided these kind of the food. So answer will be B. To be near the sea. Dear student, come to next. That is the question number 3rd. Let us see the question. And the question is, below are the names of the some animals. Cow. Number 1 cow, number 2 sheep, number 3 horse, number 4 ox. So which of the above are sources of milk for human being? इनमें से कौन से ऐसे पशु हैं जो कि ह्यूमन के लिए दूध प्रोवाइड करते हैं? So my dear student, you have to see that option A is first and third, means cow and horse. Option B is first and second, means cow and sheep. Option C is second and third, means sheep and horse. Option D is third and fourth, means horse and ox. So my dear student, the right answer will be the answer will be B, first and second, cow and sheep. Cow and sheep provide the milk for human being. So answer will be C. Okay? No. Answer will be B. Sorry. Answer will be B. Now come to 4. Which one of the following adds flavors to our food? So, is number A, option A is spices, option B is oils, option C is coffee, option D is cereals. So which one of the following adds flavor to our food? So spices add flavor to our food. So question answer will be A. Similarly, question number 4, question number 5. Which one of the following is not an animal product? Honey, cheese, millet, and milk. So millet is not animal product, that is obtained from the crop. So answer will be C. 5C. Now come to next question, my dear students. Question number 6. That which of the following living organism uses sunlight to make the food? Options are A, cat, B, frog, C, snake, and D, coconut tree. So my dear students, coconut tree, that is a plant which is able to make their own food by using sunlight. So answer will be D. 6D. Now come to question number 7. Herbivores do not eat meat but can eat. Options are A, beef, B, fish, C, fruit, and D, steak. So herbivores they don't eat beef, they don't eat fish, they don't eat steak, but they eat fruits. So 7, the answer of the 7 will be C, fruits. 7C. Now the question number 8. Which of the following is a root? And the options are A, potato, B, carrot, C, cucumber, and D, onion. My dear student, onion is stem, potato is stem, cucumber is fruit, but carrot is the root. So answer will be B, carrot. 8B. Dear students, come to question number 9. Given below is the list of edible plants. Okay, ये खाने वाले पौधे हैं. Number 1 banana, number 2 pumpkin, number 3 lady's finger, and number 4 brinjal. So which pair of the plant has 2 or more edible parts? It means कि कौन से ऐसे 2 प्लांट का एडिबल पार्ट्स खाया जाता है जो कि पेयर में है. A, option A is first and second, means banana and pumpkin. Second is option B, second and third, means pumpkin and lady's finger. C is third and fourth, means lady finger and brinjal. And D is 1 and 4, means banana and brinjal. So dear students, in this answer, इनमें कौन सा ऐसा है जिसका 2 पार्ट खाया जा सकता है? So The pumpkin, the use of the pumpkin is flower and fruit. Second, and similarly, the lady finger is used as flower and fruit both. So answer will be second and third. Second and third, that will be B. Question number 9, B. Question number 9, B. These can be used as two edible parts, flower and fruits. Now question number 10. My dear students, this is the last question of this MCQ exercises, and question number 10 is read each set of terms and identify the odd set. A is cow milk butter, B is hen meat egg, C is goat milk meat, D is plant vegetable and buttermilk. So D, answer D, that is the plant vegetable and buttermilk. This one is the odd pair, odd set, because plant vegetable के साथ में बटर मिल्क है, which is odd one. So you have to answer question number 10 as D, plant vegetable and buttermilk. Then B. My dear students, come to next section, that the filling the blanks, and the word has been given, and the words are carnivore, herbivore, milk and sugarcane. So you have to fill it. Question number 1, lion is a and dash dash dash, that will be the carnivore because it eats only meat. So fill in the blanks, section 2. Fill in the blanks. So question number 1, that will be the carnivores. You have to fill in question number 1 carnivores. Second, the sugar is obtained from sugar cane. Second is sugar cane. Third is elephant eat only plant products, so they are called herbivores. So answer third will be the herbivores. And four, that will be the we drink dash got from cows, buffalo and goat. We drink milk got from cow, buffalo and goats. So in 4, the answer will be milk. Now students, there is a very short answer question. And you have to identify the plant's parts. Suppose there is a plant that is given, and third one, if this is a plant that is having fruit, leaves, so you have to identify this is A, this is B, this is B, this is C, and this is D. C is the stem and this is E. This is fruit. This is stem. This is leaf, and this is flower. So A is flower, B is leaf, C is stem, D is root, and E is fruit. So my dear students, in this today's video, I have given you so many answers like MCQs section 10 questions, filling the blank section 4 questions, and third one, that identification of the different parts of the plant body. So dear students, there is an assignment that I am giving you, an assignment that you have to do very short answer question and short answer question. Assignment that you have to note it. B essay, very short answer question. C, short answer questions. Short answers questions. And D, long answer questions. So my dear student, in fair copy, you have to write these questions as far as my video lecture is concerned, and you can take the help from your book also. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Good day.